This project is called Tui Tui Tuia. It's about relashing the waka Te Toki Tapiri, which is found in the Auckland Museum. It involves 5 different iwi, and we're all having a shared role in creating the 2.5 kilometres of cordage that's required to do that.
Muka is the fibre within flax, and so the outer membrane of the flax, which is the green part, gets stripped to reveal the white fibre, which is muka. The muka is going to make up the toda, which is the rope that's going to be used to relash the waka.
As you're beginning to whiri and plait the oils from your skin, blood, sweat sometimes, is going into that toda. Just the time that you're spending with the toda, with the muka, you're embedded in it. And then they will be dyed with the natural bark of the tanakaha tree and rolled into the ash, which just helps to strengthen the muka, the toda.
Being involved in these workshops definitely has been an opportunity for people to become part of history, and not just their own history in terms of their whakapapa back to the waka, but national history, I think, as well. We've already had people saying that they're going to be able to tell their children, their grandchildren, that they helped and they contributed to this toda that's going to help to relash Te Toki Tapiri. These workshops have helped to reimagine the library space and what we can do in it. We've engaged with people that don't normally or traditionally haven't come into libraries and used them. The library can be more than just traditional books.
It's an awesome space. You have people of all cultures coming in and just being there, sitting there, explaining to them that, this is kind of a once in a lifetime thing. It's not as if this is going to happen again. I'm just so hyped. I can't sleep when I get home. I can't believe the success of the days. Each place has been successful. Each place, the people have come in, they've received, they've gone away having learned something, felt a part of something. Tamariki, old people, young people, all kinds. So for me, my cup runneth over.